The Bookcase Buying Guide. Bookcases are among the most useful pieces of furniture you will ever own. They not only organize your collection of novels but also serve as a place to display art and excellent pieces. By adding a few binds or baskets, they also make the perfect spot to neatly stash orders and annuals. Choose correctly, and you will own your bookcase of years or even decades to come. Here are some tips for finding the best bookcase for your home. The style. Whether you'd like just a few shelves to showcase decor or you are looking to house a small library. When it comes to choosing the style of your bookcase, you will find yourself faced with dozens of options. Some of the most common styles include standard, ladder of learning, corners, scaffold, cover, built-in. The size, the height, the width, the depth, the space between shelves, the functionality, adjustable height shelves, wheels, room dividers. The material. Bookshelves are made from a variety of materials. These are the two, most common. Wood, particle board, metal. The buying tips. The space. How you will use it. Your budget.